Hushed versus Burner, best burner phone app in 2025. Privacy matters more than ever, and burner phone apps are becoming mainstream. Hush and Burner are two of the biggest names, but which one is actually better in 2025? Hushed offers disposable phone numbers with calling, texting, and voicemail. You can choose numbers from multiple countries, which is a big plus for international users. Burner focuses on simplicity. It offers easy number setup, auto replies, and call screening. Many users prefer its clean interface. Most people get this wrong by assuming both apps offer the same level of privacy. Burner emphasizes automation and spam control, while Hush emphasizes flexibility and long-term number use. Hushed plans tend to be cheaper for extended use, especially if you want to keep a number long-term. Burner can get expensive if you maintain multiple numbers. Call quality is solid on both, but it depends heavily on your internet connection. The surprising truth is that neither app is truly anonymous. Both require App Store accounts and payment methods. In 2025, Hushed is better for international and long-term use. Burner is better for short-term projects and quick communication. Choosing the right one depends on how long you need the number and how you plan to use it. Subscribe for more privacy and app comparisons that help you choose smarter.